Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix nothing to see here X. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your settings app, scroll down and then tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and once it loads, scroll down and then tap on show all and find X app. Tap on that, and once you tap on that, tap on offload app once again to begin the process. And what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issue that you are facing. So once you are done with that, instead of this upload app, you'll have an option that says reinstall app. Simply tap on that, and once that process is complete, try again. And if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is just head over to your app store, and on the search bar simply type in X, and here tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so just a simple update will probably fix the issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is scroll down and then find X, tap on it, and here check to see if the permissions are allowed or not. And once you do that, restart your device and try again, and that will fix the issue. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.